Is your current business bank account actually helping you grow, or is it secretly slowing you down with fees and confusion? That was the question I had to ask myself a few years ago. I was stuck with a traditional bank, paying monthly fees, getting charged for wires, and trying to reconcile my books with one giant checking account. It was a headache, and honestly, it felt like my bank was actively working against my small business. After doing a deep dive, I made the switch to Relay Bank, and it was genuinely a game changer. So, from my perspective as a small business owner, here are the best reasons I chose Relay and why I've stuck with it. 1. Multiple, fee-free checking accounts. This is, by far, the biggest win. Relay lets you open up to 20 individual business checking accounts, all with 0 monthly fees. The problem, before, all my money, income, taxes, payroll, operating expenses, profit, went into one account. It was impossible to know my true cash flow or stick to a budget without constantly checking a separate spreadsheet. The Relay solution, I immediately implemented the Profit First method. I now have separate accounts labeled income, taxes, profit, owner's pay, and operating expenses. The money is automatically allocated into these separate buckets as soon as it hits my bank. I can look at my Relay dashboard and instantly know exactly how much cash I have available for specific purposes. This alone eliminated so much financial stress and boosted my profitability. 2. 0 monthly fees and clear pricing. Let's talk about the money you save just on the basics. No monthly fees or minimums. There are absolutely no monthly maintenance fees on the basic plan, and no minimum balance requirements. I'm not worried about a low balance triggering a $25 fee. Low payment fees, standard ACH transfers are free. Incoming domestic and international wires are free. Outgoing domestic wires are only $5 and international are $10. Compared to the $25 to $45 my old bank charged, those savings add up fast. They're not trying to nickel and dime me on every basic transaction. 3. Seamless accounting integration. As someone who hates bookkeeping, this feature is a lifesaver. Direct integration. Relay integrates directly and seamlessly with QuickBooks Online and Xero. Detailed transaction data. The transaction data that syncs over is incredibly clean. It includes detailed vendor information and auto-categorization, which significantly speeds up my monthly reconciliation process. My bookkeeper and I both spend less time chasing down what a cryptic transaction description actually means. 4. Team management and spending controls. Once my business started growing and I brought on a small team, I realized how much control I needed. Virtual and physical cards. You can issue multiple physical or virtual Visa debit cards to your team members. Spending limits. Crucially, you can link each card to a specific checking account and set daily transaction limits. If I give my contractor a card linked to the marketing account, they can only spend the money in that account. This gives me total peace of mind that my operating cash flow is protected and budgets are enforced automatically. The biggest drawback for some people is that Relay is an online-only bank, so there are no physical branches. If your business deals heavily in cash deposits, this might be a deal breaker. But for my online-based business, the clarity, control, and money I save on fees far outweigh the need for a physical branch. I chose Relay because it's built specifically for modern small businesses and provides the tools I need to manage my money proactively instead of just reacting to my bank statement. It puts me in control of my cash flow. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.